All right, where do we stay at here? Was it Warm Lake? Warm Lake North Ridge Lodge. All right, so now, so refreshing me, Greg, we are section 4. Well, it's the end of section 3. So we've got about 15, well, we got about 30 miles between getting back on the route and finishing the official section 3, right? And then we have a long slog ahead of us, which is section 4 of the Idaho BDR. Our goal today, ladies and gentlemen, is to complete all 5 miles? 205 miles. Let's see how this goes. We're calling for some possible rain, but we shall see. And this is going to be a great ride out of here because it was a great ride down. So day 3 of the Idaho BDR for us. I think we have a curvy ride all the way up the mountainside here. Beautiful ride though out of the bottom. Oh, whoa! Easy there, big fellas. Yeah, there were some. Oh wow! Look at that, guys! Look at that! Oh, it's beautiful. All right, we start the last few miles into Yellow Pond. Right. Got gas in Yellow Pine, had breakfast in Yellow Pine. It's all good. So what does section 4 say about from the BDR? That this is we're getting into the heart of Idaho? Places to go. Yeah, it is beautiful. Coming right out of Yellow Pine. Gosh, look at all this devastation. Wow. That's a shame. It just goes on and on and on, these fires. Don't forget to watch out for the javelins. Or at least I need to look out for the javelins and tell you guys. But if I get pierced, you guys will know that there's a javelin. Think about how much time it took them to cut through all this wood to get, up through this pass. Ugh. No, someone was saying on the BDR thing that this was big bike friendly. Now, I would say it's big bike competent. I would not say big bike friendly to someone that has never ridden a big bike into terrain like this. Like, I get some of the terrain is big bike friendly, but I would not call this BDR completely big bike friendly. I would say big bike competent so far. Yeah, I just think that if you gotta be a little proficient in handling your big bike in rocky situations, even light sand, you know, that type of stuff. Because if you're a beginner on some of this, I think a beginner rider on a big bike would struggle a little bit. Now, if you're on a medium-sized bike and beginner, I think you can probably traverse through this. And obviously the dual sports, the small guys, the small bikes. Elk Summit, elevation 8670. Ready, gents? It is raining, slippy, slidey, coming off those rocks. Oh shit! I cut that one a little too tight. We gotta go down there somewhere. I prefer to stay up on top of the ledge here. I would stay right on this one. A very abrupt edge. Yeah, a lot of rock. Look at this. Yeah, look at that. We could have camped over here too. Camping down here. Check that shit out. That's awesome. You should take the head of that thing off and put it on the front of your KTM. Might have been. I don't want it. You can have it. If you want it, take it. Something ate it. You want it or no? Okay. Well, we met two new friends here. That dog is giant. Husky, look at that. Look at that boy. He's a big boy. And this is Warren, the mining town. Yeah, it says snowmobiles prohibited on the airstrip. That's it. They actually have a landing pad. Look at some of those buildings up here. You guys will pass by the old mining towns. They've collapsed. The original post office is here. Do the obligatory picture on the Idaho BDR for the bus. This is the bus. This is the bus. That is the bus. Why didn't you guys park your bikes up here so we can take a picture by the bus? Alright guys, we got the bus out of the way. Oh yeah, look at all those roads all the way down through there. That's pretty wild. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy, isn't it? Oh yeah, baby, look at that. We were up there and now we're down there. Or we're working our way down there. No. I think Tom's adventurous, but not that much. Past 12 miles or something. Look at this. Is that gorgeous or what? sight. It's so beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. You want to stop and take a couple pictures if you want. Pretty special, guys. Wow. What is this? I mean, what is this road? Do you guys recall on the map? Florence Road? Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. It hurt. Oh. No, both, man. That was not the smartest decision I made right there. Holy cow. This is rutted out big time, guys. Whew. Oh yeah, just I wasn't expecting that. Be careful, guys. There's a lot of trees hanging off to the sides, and you can't get into the other side because of the rut. Watch out for the widowmakers there. I'm more worried about coming around a corner and getting surprised by a bag and rips my f***ing bag off and knocks the shit out of me. Oh boy. Oh, I went down into the rut on the left. I thought it would be easier, so I don't know about you guys. Boy, you run into somebody else on this one. Yeah, you're probably going to run into them. Bunch of branches on the right there. Oh, ooh, get to the left there, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at all this. Hell yeah. Ooh, baby, they are cleaning some stuff out, aren't they? Road construction. Hi, Dan. How are you? Another scenic drive down by the river. Very nice. Well, this dirt road's fantastic. All right. After that epic fail, back on Magruder here. Now, this is probably what they were talking about, Greg. We're It'll take us a little time, right? A little choppy, a little wonky, a little rocky. Do not make a right-hand turn.